Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to deploy a Next.js project on Vercel. So how to host a Next.js project on Vercel. So here in Visual Studio Code I have a demo Next.js project. So I'll run this. So to run this project I just need to type in npm run dev. So it will start a development server, and when I go to this localhost, when I go to the localhost 3000, you can see it's a simple counter app. So it increases when I click on increase, it decreases when I click on decrease, and it resets when I click on reset. So this is a simple app. So now we have to deploy this to Vercel so anybody can use it. So what you have to do is first open up the terminal, and first you have to type in npm run build. So what this command does is it creates an optimized production build, and it checks whether there are any types of error or whether there are any types of like syntax error or there are any warnings. So if there are any, it will show here, otherwise it will show nothing. It will give all tick marks, so there are no errors right now. So we can push this code to GitHub, and then from GitHub we can push that to Vercel. So to push this to GitHub, first we have to go to github.com. So github.com, log into a GitHub account and create a new repository. I'm going to create demo Next.js project and keep it private. If you want, you can also keep it public, but I prefer keeping it private. So now what I have to do is I'll open up the terminal and I'll just type in it git init. So I'm initializing a git repository, and then I will add all the files. So git add dot, and then I will git commit m, and the commit message would be first commit, and then a branch would be git branch m main, and then at the end we will do git remote add origin, and we'll just copy this link of this github repository and just paste it here, and at the end we will type in git push. So if this message comes, what you have to do is git push set upstream origin main. So once you have done this, now you can see, and when I open this source control, you can see this was the initial commit from the Next.js, and then it was first commit made by Ashutosh. And now when I go to GitHub and I reload the page, so you can see the whole code is visible here. Now what you have to do is go to vercel.com and then click on add new project, and then import a git repository. Make sure you have connected your GitHub account. So I have already connected it, and I'll just import it, and the project name would be demo Next.js project, or I'll just write it code it demo Next.js. And then if there are environment variables you are using, then you have to paste those environment variables here. So we are not using any environment variables, and the framework we are using is Next.js, so it has automatically detected that. And you have to select your Vercel team. So I only have one team, which is Ashutosh Swami, so I am going to select that, and then you can choose the project name, the framework preset, and the root directory. So I'm going to keep it as it is, and I'm going to click on deploy. So it takes a bit time to deploy, and once we deploy it, anybody with that link can use that project. So it's taking a bit time to deploy, and if I reload the GitHub page, you can see here there's a pending message, some checks haven't completed yet, Vercel is deploying your app. So it automatically detects that we have connected this repository to Vercel, and now Vercel is deploying it. Now you can see the build logs. So it internally runs the npm run build. So you have to run the npm run build, because if the errors get detected here, then it won't deploy and it will show error. Now our app has been successfully deployed, and if I go to this link code it demo nextjs.vercel.app, so I can use it. And then if you have bought a domain, then what you can do is go to that app, and then use your domains, whatever domains you have bought for this app, so you can use them and connect them. So, and when I reload the GitHub page, you can see the link is already here. When I click on it, it's the same project, and then it also shows deployment has completed, and in the production there is one deployment. So this is how you deploy a Next.js project on Vercel via GitHub. So what you do is create a Next.js project, and then you push that code to GitHub, and then you connect your GitHub account to the Vercel account, and then in Vercel you create a new project. In that you select your repository, and then you have to just click on deploy. If you have any environment variables, you have to insert your environment variables, and once you click deploy, then the whole project gets deployed free of cost. And if you have any domains which you have bought from various websites like Namecheap or name.com, then you can connect those domains to that specific Vercel project when you go to the domains tab. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button, and if you like this kind of content, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.